there has been slight disparity in allocation of funds to corporations of SC/ST communities. In fact, Congress MLA H.C. Balakrishnan has spoken to CNN News 18 exclusively confirming that disparity, saying that this disparity is due to allocation made to guarantee schemes. This is what H.C. Balakrishna has to say. It's a slight disparity. Overall allocation to SC/ST communities remains the same. Let's also listen in to that conversation Harish had.
That the fund allocation to some of these boards and corporations, especially belonging to SC/ST communities, whether it's Adi Jambava or Ambedkar Corporation, various others, the funding has gone down. There's a fund cut as far as this government over the last 2 years is when compared to what BJP had given in 22-23.
Oh, once they have declared the 5 guarantees. So we want to get money for that 5 guarantees. Regarding that case, slightly it has been decreased in some board and corporations, but not so much. But they are doing we are supporting the downtrodden peoples. There is no so much disparity, but I think small disparity is there.
In fact, the BJP is saying on one hand you've given cabinet rank status to several MLAs, non-MLAs for heading these boards and corporations. But to the board and corporation, you're not giving enough money. You're just giving perks to Congress workers.
See, opposition is telling lies. Opposition, they want to keep some problem on the ruling party. But I hope that there is no problem. We are doing everything. We are doing a good job. Our government is doing a good job. Because of some guarantees, the amount has been decreased, that's all.
Open admission coming in from the Congress minister over there, in fact, openly admitting that there has been a disparity in the fund allocation, especially if you compare it to the previous BJP government. Is this mere tokenism? Because remember, as Harish was also highlighting, they have given them cabinet ranks as far as SC/STs are concerned. In the Congress government, when it comes to allocating money to the corporations, mum is the word. Let's quickly go across to Griha, who will break down the numbers for us.
Right, absolutely. And these numbers have been brought to us by our colleague Harish Upadhyay, and this is what it looks like, Akanksha. If we take a look at the first corporation we have here on the screens, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Development Corporation, under the BJP government in 22-23, the allocation read to 18.5 crore rupees. Now that allocation significantly went down under the Congress government in 23-24. It went down by more than half. It went down to 107 crore rupees. Then further, they increased it just a bit to 155 crore rupees in 25-26. So that is one corporation. If we take a look at the next set of graphics, you would know this is the Karnataka corporation there, where the allocation under the BJP government in 2022-23 reads 148.69 crores. Again, when the Congress comes into the power in Karnataka, it goes down significantly by more than 43 crore rupees to 105 crores. Then further down in 25-26 at just 89 crore rupees. So this is that corporation. Then if we take a look at the Bovi Development Corporation, BJP government 22-23 allocation. There are the numbers there. Harish has got it for us. 103.48 crores goes significantly down again in under the Congress regime by half in 23-24 to just 55 crore rupees, slightly up than the last year in 24-25 to 65 crores, just 10 crore up. So maybe because of the backlash that the Congress government was receiving. Here again is a very, very significant reduction. This is the Karnataka Thanda Development Corporation under the BJP government. These are the numbers where they stand. 133.5 crore rupees in 22-23 under the BJP government. Significantly goes down by less than half to just 66.95 crore rupees under the Congress government. Looking at the Safai Karmchari Development Corporation, look at the numbers here, Akanksha. BJP government 55 crores goes down under the Congress to 40, then remains at 40 crores in 24-25. So these are how the numbers are stacked. If we look at SC/ST Nomadic Development Corporation, BJP government had allocated 50 crores. it is reduced to 42.25 crores under the Congress, then further down to 35 crores in 24-25 under the same Congress regime in the state of Karnataka. Babu Jagjeevan Ram Leather Industries Development Corporation, 60 crores under the BJP. That's how the numbers stand, and that's how it is further getting reduced if we take a look at the Congress government.
Thanks to you, Griha, for bringing us all those inputs.